So I've been looking for a portable printer that can do more than just labels, and luckily Munbyn offered to send me one of theirs to test out and review, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. This is the model Gen 2 Inkless printer, and right off the bat you should know that you're not limited to just a standard 6x4 label because of this really neat mechanism inside. Along with some cool AI powered size detection, you can use other sticker paper to create a variety of sizes based on the rolls that they offer, which you can find using the links down below. Everything is super easy to find and buy on Amazon or on their native store, and they even have this little stand you can get alongside the printer that has an attachment to swap out each of the different sized sticker rolls you want to use. In my case, this is perfect because I sell these silly quote posters at pop-up markets and online, and I had been wanting a way to put part of my logo and my website on the back of each print so that people know I sell more than what's just available, and I didn't want to order a bunch of ready-made stickers because that can get pretty expensive. So this met my expectations perfectly. Oh, and by the way, if you want to check out any of my silly little quote posters, you can find a link to my website down below. Now, setting up this printer is super easy, and you have a couple different ways to do it. Because it's portable, you can actually just use Bluetooth and connect it right to your phone, your iPad, laptop, whatever. But I went ahead and just used the USB-C method because I didn't want to waste any time showing you exactly how this works. They give you the cord along with it too, and all you have to do is just plug the USB-C into the back of the printer, plug the other side into your laptop, which in my case is a MacBook, and then after a very quick, simple software download to find the print device, you are ready to start printing. Everything will show right in your MacBook or your Windows device. It'll show you the name of the printer. You should be good to go. The main thing I love about this portable printer is the smart loading technology, because in the past I have used portable label printers where you do need to get the alignment of the label pretty much exactly right for it to feed through and for it to print without accidentally being cut off. But with this printer, you can either have the label inside for you to close the hinge like you see right here, or you can feed it through the back when it's already closed, and there's this little auto alignment loading procedure that's going to happen by itself, and you're ready to go. This is literally going to save you so much time. Their handbooks that come with the device are also pretty clear, and they do provide some links to FAQs if you get stuck. They have loads of other models and products too, by the way, so if you're interested in a specific item that does something different or something more or more powerful, I do encourage you to go check out the rest of their inventory. I already have a ton of other ideas for little stickers I can put on my products, and obviously for mailing out any of my posters when I actually need a shipping label, but you all let me know in the comments what you think. This video is not sponsored or paid for by anyone or by Munbyn. They just sent me the product for an honest review, and from what I can tell, this is going to get the job done for me easily. If there's a different printer or product I should know about, you let me know in the comments as well, and it would be awesome if you subscribe to the channel and stick around to see some of my other product reviews I think you will enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.